In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the scene on Together mode on Microsoft Teams. Before we dive into changing scenes, it's important to understand the context. You'll need to be in an active Microsoft Teams meeting with at least a few participants for Together mode to be truly effective and visible. Together mode is a fantastic feature that brings participants into a shared virtual environment, making meetings feel more engaging and connected, almost like you're all in the same physical space. To kick things off, once you're in your meeting, you'll want to locate the View options. This is typically found at the top of your meeting window, often represented by a specific menu or an icon that gives you different display choices for your call. With your meeting underway, and the View options located, your very first action will be to click on that View menu. This action will reveal a drop-down menu presenting various ways to display your meeting participants. Within this list of options, you'll clearly see Together mode. This particular option is what transforms your standard grid view into an immersive shared space. It's designed to enhance interaction and reduce meeting fatigue by placing everyone in a virtual setting. So proceed by clicking View to open up that menu and prepare for the next step of selecting Together mode itself. This is your gateway to a more dynamic meeting experience. Now that you have the View menu open and are familiar with the Together mode option, your next crucial step is to click Together mode. Once you click this, you'll immediately notice a significant visual change. Microsoft Teams will reconfigure your meeting layout, taking all the participants and digitally placing them into a single pre-selected virtual environment, such as a large auditorium or a conference room. This transition happens quite smoothly, and you'll see everyone, including yourself, seated together in this new digital space. It's a powerful feature for fostering a sense of community and making virtual interactions feel much more natural, almost as if you're truly sharing the same room. Once you are actively in Together mode, you'll want to find the option to customize your virtual environment. Look for a small icon or button that signifies Change Scene or offers scene selection. This is often positioned in a convenient location, such as the bottom left or top left corner of your screen, once Together mode is activated. Clicking this icon will typically open a side panel or a pop-up window, presenting you with a gallery of available scenes. This gallery is where all the magic happens, allowing you to browse through various virtual backdrops. It's your control panel for customizing the visual feel of your shared meeting space. Now that the scene selection gallery is open, it's time to choose a scene that best fits your meeting's mood or purpose. You'll find a wide variety of options available, ranging from formal settings like an auditorium or a large conference room, to more casual environments such as a coffee shop, a lounge, or even a classroom. Take your time to scroll through these options. As you select different scenes, Teams often provides a quick preview of how your meeting participants will look in that particular environment. This allows you to get a sense of the atmosphere before making your final decision. Pick the one that resonates most with you and your meeting's objectives. After you've browsed through the available scenes and settled on the perfect backdrop for your meeting, the final action in this process is to click Apply. This will instantly implement your chosen scene, transforming your Together mode environment in real time for all participants. The transition is usually seamless, ensuring a continuous and immersive experience. If you ever wish to change the scene again, simply follow the same steps. And if you want to exit Together mode entirely, you can typically find an option within the View menu to switch back to Gallery View or another standard layout. Experiment with different scenes to find what works best for various meeting types and enhance engagement for everyone involved.